Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
Hello, namaskar, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal, kem chho? I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and today we are going to do unboxing of a pack that was sent to me by Bengaluru.com and it has a fidget spinner. So let's open the pack and see what kind of fidget spinner is it. Let's get started. This is the pack and the courier service is Aramix. And okay, so let's open it and see what do we get inside. So this is the package. On the other side my name is written, so I'm not showing you that side. So let's open it. Really nicely packed. Okay, so oh, there's a box too. Nice. And it's written banggood.com. So thank you Banggood for sending me this. Are these stickers? Oh yes, they are stickers. So on the box written fidget spinner and some other information, and the quality is really nice. Like you can't expect too much, but it feels premium. Slight dents are there. How do I open this? Okay. Wow, nice. So this is the, oh, so heavy. This looks like a zinc color fidget spinner, metal fidget spinner. I'll keep that aside. What do we have? Anything else? No, nothing. So nicely packed. So let's have a look at the spinner. Whoa, actually it's heavy. The effect is cool. If you look here, see the effect. And the wearing is really smooth. So shall we do a test of how much time does it spin? Now it's not gonna be very exact because I'm gonna start the timer little later, so approx like 5-10 seconds. And this is the first time I'm doing, so let's see. As you saw, the spin time is around 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes, and this is a really good premium metal fidget spinner. If you want to buy this, the links will be in the description. And let's check what's the bearing. Can I open the bearing? Yeah, I can open the bearing. So this is the bearing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit on that like button. Share this video with your friends too. And if you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.